The Brightown Outdoor String Lights are a perfect addition to any backyard, patio, or outdoor space. With a 25-foot length and 27 Edison-style glass bulbs, including 2 spare bulbs, these lights create a warm and inviting atmosphere for any occasion. Whether you're decorating for a party, wedding, or a relaxing evening on the porch, these lights provide a beautiful glow that enhances the ambiance. One of the standout features is their durability and weather resistance. These lights are waterproof, making them ideal for year-round use. Whether it's rain or shine, you can trust these lights to keep your outdoor space illuminated. The connectable design allows you to extend multiple strands together, making it easy to cover larger areas like balconies, decks, pergolas, and gardens. The E12 socket base makes replacing bulbs simple and convenient. The glass bulbs provide a classic, vintage aesthetic, and their soft glow is bright enough to light up an area without being too harsh. Installation is quick and easy, with built-in hanging loops that allow you to attach them securely. Perfect for holiday gatherings, barbecues, and cozy nights, these Brightown Outdoor String Lights are an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor decor. Their energy efficiency and high-quality construction ensure long-lasting performance, making them a great investment for any space. If you're looking for stylish, durable, and connectable outdoor string lights, this is the perfect option. Check out the link in the description below to get yours today.